Hi guys, this is Josh Ikaslam and I am going to discuss about multimeter or tester, multi-tester. Multimeter is an electronic device or instrument that combines several functions in one unit, and these are the parts of the multimeter. Here is the pointer, this long one, and this is the knob, zero ohm adjuster, the range selector, and the positive and negative. Here in safety check, you should make sure that you connect or plug the correct probes in the negative or positive, and make sure the wires are not faulty. In calibration, you make sure that this one is zero. Check this first, the zero reading here in the left side. If not zero, adjust this here in the middle knob. You turn it here to adjust it to put here in zero. Next is check 0 ohm. Change this range selector to resistance. Then the reading should adjust here to the 0 ohm. If not, you use this 0 ohm adjuster to adjust it to 0. There, it's 0 now. Next is checking polarity. Here we need this battery and adjust the selector into DC voltage. You make sure that the probe is connected to the correct probe here. Here, if the pointer moves to the right, it means we connected it to the correct probe. If you connect it to the wrong probe, like this, the black in the positive and the red, it go to the left, it moves to the left, right there. If you connect it to the wrong. Next is checking continuity. We need to move the selector in the range to the continuity. Here is one. It's called here is busy. The buzzer will beep if it has continuity. There, as you can see, the lights are blink. Example, here we have a wire, and we will check the wire's continuity. We put the probes in the tip of the wire. If it buzzes, it has continuity. If not, it's a faulty wire. As you can see here, it is a good wire. It has continuity. Next is checking the resistance. We will use this here ohmmeter to measure the resistance. The color of the reading of the resistor, or the color of the resistor, is black is 0, brown equals 1, red equals 2, orange equals 3, yellow equals 4, and green 5, blue 6, violet 7, and gray 8, and white 9. These colors also represent multipliers. Black equals times 1, brown times 10, red times 100, orange is times 1000, yellow is 10,000, green is 100,000, blue is 1 million and violet is 10 million. Here we have an example. Here the colors here in the resistor is here it's blurry, but here in the color is brown, black, and orange. Let's check the resistance of this resistor. We'll put it in times 100. Let's put the probes in the tip. Here, as you can see, the reading is 100. Here you should times it to the multiplier times 100, and the reading is 10,000. And as you can see, the colors here, brown is equivalent to 1, the black is 0, and the orange is 1000. So 10 times 1000 still the same as 10,000. And next is checking DC voltage. We gonna use this battery again to check the DC voltage. We must put the selector in 2.5. We connect the probes in the battery. Make sure you connect it correctly. There. Here, as you can see, it's almost 1.5 volts. The next is checking AC voltage. Here we need to be careful because in AC we got higher voltage. If you don't know the voltage you want to read, you put it to the highest, here 1000 in the highest scale. But here we got 220 volt outlet. We'll put it in the 250 and we'll check the reading. And as you see here, wait, I cannot. As you see here, we got 200, around 235 volts. Next is checking the capacitor. We have here 1 microfarad capacitor here. This one, the short one, is the negative, and the long one is positive. We're gonna check if this is a working capacitor or not. First, we need the selector here in this part to know if your capacitor is good. As you can see, the pointer is going upscale. So we have here a working capacitor. So that's all, guys. Thank you.